How to check permissions that each app is using on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on security and privacy at the top here. Then we scroll down, and in here, tap on permissions used in the last 7 days or in the last 24 hours. So just tap on the arrow at the top here. From the top here, you can choose filter by 24 hours or last 7 days. At the top here, tap on apps. If you tap on the apps tab, it will allow you to check for permissions that each app you're using. So for example, calendar. So calendar using access to calendar at 8:17 in the background. And let's see what other apps is using permission on the system. So we've got in the last 24 hours, we've got Facebook trying to access location as well as contacts. So you can scroll down here. If there is a particular app that you want to check it out, just scroll down the list and check for any apps. You can also filter it out to 7 days for more apps. And here we've got Napstar trying to access photos and videos on the background. So in here you can choose to allow all, or you can choose allow limited access for Napstar, and then tap on the back key. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.